All right, so I want to just go through just a quick demo walkthrough of the Terraform and Snowflake. So I'm just gonna before we start, I'm just gonna clean everything out, destroy all the existing things. So make demo is an alias here I have, and then there's a make file at the root of the directory, and then destroy all will basically destroy everything that's there. Um, and there's no bucket there. There should be no database. If you look on the right-hand side, let's just refresh it here. The database is gone. There's no database. All right, so let's so we can build it in, we can either, so that the layers are designed to be independent, so we can build the data lake layer or the Snowflake layer independently. So let's just start off with data lake layer. So when we do make demo, build data lake, this will initialize the directory and then run the Terraform commands. And we can go into AWS here in S3, and we can check our buckets and search for data lake demo, and we can see we have this bucket here. So this is brand new bucket. It's been made. It's ready for us to put data in and build on. So let's do the same for the database. Make demo, build Snowflake DB. Built the database here, so you can now see there's a database in place. It's got a landing zone. You can see here that the dependencies here. So we have the database creation here. It's uppercase, and the dependency right now between the landing zone is defined here with this one. So catalog is also a name for the database, and that's there. So great. So we've got that. So now we just need to do the AWS integration, and that's this for third target was build Snowflake Pipe. So make demo, build Snowflake Pipe. We'll both initialize and run the data, building the pipe, creating all the things we need, spitting out some information there on our page, and then we can refresh here. Hitting it, okay. So refreshing this here, we can see that the table for the logs has been created. Not really. Okay, so import log has been created, and let's just go over here to this stage. So we're going to use the schema landing zone. We're going to see all the different components that were created by the Terraform thing. So first of all, is in a storage integration. Basically, it's these are all the ones that are existing on this account. One of them is called demo. That's the one we've done. We just describe it. This is the storage integration. This essentially gives the permission to AWS to read and write to our S3 bucket. These are the stages. It's how we load these data in. This is the folder that's looking for logs. We can describe the stage here. This is the stage that was created. There's a pipe then which automates the loading with this copy statement here. And then there's basically an SQS queue that runs. We can list out the files in place just to make sure. Now there's no files there. And we can just run a status check on the things on the data. We see that there's basically no files pending, nothing there. Let's AWS S3 sync. we can find some data that we maybe from another bucket, we can sync that data. Why not we sync this one here? Stage, KXP logs, just get that S3 bucket there, copy and paste that. Going into the demo folder, it's just going to sync that log file. Let's query the status here, see what's come about. So it's running. Number of outstanding messages on channels 1. So let's list the files there. So we've got that. Let's just run a little quick select statement on that table to see if it got in there. Not in there yet. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get there. Outstanding message still. And there it is. So the files showed up. So that's it. That's just the automated integration using Terraform. Basically creates the pipe, and any data that gets copied into that S3 bucket now gets automatically loaded into the tables. And in the next discussion, I'll take you through a little bit more sophisticated implementation, playlists and shows showing how we can import data with different column names and also convert that data to like a first normal form, where we match the file types of the JSON data coming into the tables. And all right, I hope this is helpful. Thank you. Bye.